sitting in a hotel somewhere in Ohio, let's just say, and I just got the best news this morning. So I'm sure you guys have heard of Sick Week. Well, I learned a long time ago that it's really hard to get a spot for those drag and drive competitions, and I knew that they were doing a new event this year called Sick Week Smokies. So I sent in an interest form last year for Sick Week Smokies, and I was lucky enough to get a early registration access email. And this morning at 9 o'clock EDT, I refreshed the browser and I got a slot. And man, it's crazy because I swear I think it sold out in like 2 minutes. But I got a slot. We're doing Sick Week Smokies in October. I think it's October 12th through the 21st. And my family member and friend Sean, you might know him as Sean from Gooder Garage. He's going to be my right-hand man, helping me out with the whole week, you know, wrenching when we break down on the side of the road, because I know we're going to break down. It's just part of how it goes, and helping me with filming so you guys can watch. I'm excited, and I bet you're wondering what car it's going to be, and you guessed it, 2JZ Merc. And you also guessed the car's not ready. So we got a lot of things to do. We got a whole summer to do it. And I'm really excited. I've watched these drag and drives for a long time, and I know we're not going to win anything, and I don't care. I really just want to do it for the experience, and I just want to finish. You know, that's my goal, is to try to finish the event. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I will record the whole thing for everybody. And man, I'm excited. I'm sure I'm going to meet some people and get an opportunity to kind of get the Timeless Steel Garage brand out there. And man, I'm stoked, if you can't tell. So the Mercedes obviously isn't ready. So you guys know my intro video on the channel, I smoked that limited slip rear end. So that little puny 185 millimeter rear end is not going to work. I already sourced a 320E or 500E V8 210 millimeter diff, and I'm going to put a helical gear style limited slip in it, like a Quafe or there's a couple of brands out there. But I'm going to get rid of the clutch pack stuff, and it's going to be a bigger rear end. It's a rear end Mercedes used in V8, so that should work out for us. I'm going to have to put some different CV shafts in there. My drive shaft should work as is. I may have to put a different adapter on the joint, but I think that the U-joint connection is the same. And if it's the larger one, I already have an adapter for that larger one. So rear end should be pretty simple. We definitely need both wheels to spin. I got to weld up the transmission tunnel that has got a big hole in it. And we got a couple little leaks we got to fix. I got a couple oil lines and stuff I got to secure. We've got a lot of electrical work to clean up under the hood. The event needs a street car, so I need the headlights, the horn, the taillights to work. All I got to do there is rewire the horn to a switch, like a push button, because I don't want it on the steering wheel. And just got to wire the headlights. The car is already on the road. It's registered. It's legal. It's got insurance on it. So I'm excited about that. I definitely think the weak point for the week is going to be the transmission. We'll see if it holds up. There's a lot of little things I want to do too. I'm going to put some extended link wheel studs on there. I need to get some rims for the two slicks. I'm going to probably go down to a 16-inch rim and put some ET Streets on there. And I got a buddy on Instagram that has been helping me out a lot, and it already races a Mercedes that's got a 2J in it, so he's been a huge resource. But I want to put some wheel studs on the car, so we're not using the Mercedes lugs anymore. Extended link so that I can just put the wheels on easy and take them off. I need to do like a roof rack. I'm going to put like a safari rack, like a Harbor Freight roof rack on the roof, and I plan on just putting the slicks up there. I'm not going to pull a trailer. I'm going to load all the tools and spare parts I can come up with in the trunk or the back seat. So if you guys are watching my channel and you're Sick Week veterans, or you've done Sick Week before, I would really appreciate any tips you got for me. Recommended spare parts, recommended tools, anything that you veterans have seen. I officially am a racer, and I'm going to take the 2JZ AMG to it in October. So I'm going to document it for the whole channel. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's a drag and drive event. If you're not familiar, look it up. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, that's the big news. Some of you may not care. Some of you are probably stoked. I'm stoked. Regardless, it's going to be a journey, and I'm going to record the whole thing. And we've got till October 11th to get that car ready. So I'll bring you guys along for the whole process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Time with Steel Garage.